Man. Got the Optima nestled in there. Did not anticipate having to do that. Woke up the other day. Went to go get coffee. I had to jump it. Okay. I've been jumping it a lot lately. No big deal. Jump it. Get over there. On my way over there, it's stuttering, spitting, and sputtering. I'm like, alternator maybe? Or battery? Okay. Either way, got the Optima at the house. It's been sitting for 2 years. It's look at this date on this thing. Sitting, hasn't ran. Charged it up last month, let it sit for another month, and then just literally threw it in. No jumps, sparked right up, okay? That's the good news. We got a battery in there that's working. After that, though, car started overheating, man. Now I'm tracing more gremlins, this car. Anyways, I've already replaced the temperature sensor, coolant temp sensor. It's not for the gauge on this one, it is for the temp sensor. So we did that. That is to my avail, nothing, no luck. There's a green test connector you can find underneath your dash, and plug those in, turn it on, but not on, like turn the ignition on over, I think, 2 clicks past accessory, and then it'll run through a cycle and you'll hear the fans either rip up or not. Well, they're ripping. These fans are moving, but not when I need them to. Both hoses are hot, top and bottom when it's hot, so I know that my thermostat's working. So therefore, I must have an electrical issue. You can see that that definitely looks like the outline of a bolt. We will investigate that further. That's kind of funny. But that's not what we're doing right now. I don't know, man. That thing, it's a mess under the dash. The wiring that was installed for the alarm has me questioning stuff. Maybe some continuity in the relays, or maybe the relays need to be swapped with new relays or something like that. But this thing is not letting the fans on, and that's official. That's final. I have one battery now. The battery that was deemed good from AutoZone is definitely bad. And I still have one good one, which is the Optima, which is in there. So we're continuing to use that. But as you've seen, interior's in. Obviously, we do need door cards. So we're in the process of obtaining those in a roundabout way. Either way, interior's in. We're moving forward with the car. That's all that matters. We have more space now to start working on the panels and cleaning up the body further and preparing for paint. But so now that we have all this in the car, we have nothing to worry about with getting dust all over the seats, and everything's in, nestled away, so we're good. Looking good. Happy with how that turned out. Although it's missing a radio currently because I don't have a radio for it, and the cluster is dirty, and leave it at that. Yeah, and the door cards are gross, and I don't like my shift boot. And oh, one cool thing is though, these guys. I've been waiting to put these in there for a while. Really hyped on those. Those look really cool. Works well. The black carpet. But yeah, coup's making progress. I'm hyped on that. We got the fenders rolled recently. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out. And maybe you'll pick yourself up an Eastwood roller and do it yourself, because it's not that hard. You'll subscribe also for more content on the GC8 with months to come. We have plenty of things going on here. Car's going to be a lot of fun. Currently we are working towards getting it started, and I'm in the middle of some stuff, but news on that in the next video, huh? So stick around for more for first startups on its way. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.